In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day, even if you're dead freaking broke. What's going on, guys? Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with another video. And I know it's been a while, but I've been working on something extremely important that I actually wanted to go ahead and invite you guys to before I go ahead and start this video, which is Wolves of Masterminds. It's basically the first in-person mastermind where I'm going to be able to meet you. And right now we're doing a 90% off flash sale where you're going to be able to literally go ahead and click the link down below, get access, and meet me in Miami, Florida. And I can't wait to meet you in person, right? So let's get right into the video, right? So number one is, what are you gonna need to make $100 per day, guys? You need an offer, right? So you're gonna need something to sell. In any business whatsoever, you need some sort of product to sell. But before you actually find that product, you're gonna need some sort of niche, right? So what categories are you interested in? The beauty is, with online business, you could literally create a business out of thin air from scratch around your passions, right? So what are you passionate about? Obviously, if you've been following me around for a while, you know I'm passionate about helping people learn how to make money online. So I actually just decided to actually create a business around it, right? But you might like fitness, you might like romance, you might like golf, you might like all these type of things, right? And what you want to do is you want to go and find a niche, right? What are you passionate about? Figure out something that you're passionate about. But the second thing is, right, you need to make sure that there is a demand for it in the marketplace. Are people already buying products? And how many people are buying products? An example is losing weight, right? Will always be in style. It'll never go out of style. It'll never be a fad. People will always want to lose weight, and people will always be buying products in that industry. Why? Because people want to go ahead and always work out their appearance or get better or etc. People will always want to make money. Maybe not online, but people will always want to make money, right? So the wealth niche, right? So figure out something that you're passionate about. Number two, figure out something that has a demand in the marketplace. Then what you want to start doing is, this is slow and steady wins the race, guys. You want to go ahead and present yourself as an authority, right? So what if you could learn while you earn, right? Learn while you earn is the best policy, right? So within that niche, start studying it and see what type of content people are producing, or see how to actually do it, right? If you're trying to lose weight or you're going on a journey, right, start documenting it, right? And then start literally showing people the stuff that you're using to actually lose weight. And then what you can start doing is actually promoting those products, right? People, you've built yourself as an authority where people know, like, and trust you, so they start to actually buy your products, right? So before you even think about selling anything, the first thing that you want to think about is building value, right? It's the 80-20 rule. 80% value, 20% pitch. So majority of what you put out there should be simply in a giving state. Whenever you think about just me, nobody's going to buy anything from you, right? People need to know, like, and trust you. And when you present yourself as an authority by helping people, right, people will naturally trust you. And if you recommend something, they'll be all over it, right? So what is the next step? You need to find some sort of product. And then once you find that product within that niche, before you even start recommending it, let me start building a following, right? And one way that you can go ahead and build a following is, or I'm going to give you two options, right? You're going to need a product, and then you're going to need people to sell that product too, right? That sounds like a no-brainer, right? But how do we get those people, right? So in this instance, you can do e-commerce. You can actually sell a service. You can sell products that you don't own. I'm going to give you an example with what I teach for the most part, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you don't even own the product, and you can find a product, right? An affiliate, they'll give you an affiliate link. This company has the product. They've created the product. They deal with the fulfillment. They give you this link. They simply let you market the link, and you get paid for referrals, right? So the first option is, if I was to go ahead and present myself as an authority and I was to start making content like I'm doing right now about affiliate marketing or anything else, any other niche, something that you're passionate about that has a demand in the marketplace, then once you start building that following, they're gonna be asking you, what are you using? How do I do this? How do I do that, right? When you answer those questions in your future content, and this goes for anything, Instagram, YouTube, whatever, right? Value-based content, Eventually what you can start doing is at the end of your content, letting them know, hey, look, check this out. This might be of benefit to you. And then what you're gonna do is every time you generate a sale, you're going to generate a commission. Now, this is the compound effect, guys, meaning this takes time, right? Over time, you're gonna want to start building your following bigger and bigger and bigger, and then your income is gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger. The second option is if people are searching for a specific problem, or maybe even a review, or they're looking at something before they make a purchase, and then you're reviewing it, right? So you can say, hey, look, let's just say I was looking to lose weight and there's a specific weight loss product, right? I could literally make a review on it, whether I like it or whether I don't. And if I do like it, I say, hey, this is what I like about it. These are the features, advantages, and benefits. Check it out. If you want to buy it, go on and buy it, right? You can do that with a blog or a YouTube video. Or if you don't like it, you can say, hey, I don't like that. However, if you are looking for a better weight loss product or whatever, then you go ahead and drop that recommendation, right? And over time, you'll definitely get to $100 per day. However, how can we scale this business and how can we make money much quicker? The way that we can make money much quicker is if you have an income set aside or a budget set aside that you can actually invest into paid traffic. And the way we're gonna do that is with three things. You're gonna need a sales funnel, which is basically to automate your sales process online, do your research later. You're gonna need traffic. We already told you traffic, but we can do paid traffic like Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, Bing ads, right? So we can literally put our ads in front of these people who have this problem with a product that has a demand in the marketplace under that specific niche. We're gonna get it in front of people. An example, let's just say people like, on Facebook, people like things about losing weight, or people like things about the keto diet. Then I could literally put ads in front of them about the keto diet or whatever, and then they're gonna go through my sales process, automated sales process, and they're gonna buy. Now, believe it or not, most people don't buy up front, so what we wanna do is we wanna follow up with them. There's two ways that you can follow up. Number one is email marketing. Number two is with retargeting ads, and you can do retargeting ads on any advertisement platform, right? Now you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, there's so much to this, right? Guys, we're gonna be holding a in-person mastermind breaking all of this stuff down. So you can either do your due diligence, or you can look through all my other YouTube videos, or you can actually meet me in person and the other speakers who are gonna be throwing down some fire information on teaching you how to drive traffic, set up sales funnels, and follow up, right? So that being said, guys, that's how you make $100 per day. You can either go slow and steady wins the race, right? That's how I started. And then you can eventually invest in the paid traffic and everything along those lines. And if you want, you can invest in the paid courses, or you can come to this bomb-ass event that we're gonna be throwing in the next month. Meet me in person, and we can literally teach you how to do this, everything from scratch, right? So can't wait to see you guys there. With that being said, hopefully you guys gain value from this video, and your boy, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.
Do you have a dream, but when you try to tell your friends and your family, they just don't understand? You have the desire, you have the hustle, but when you think about pursuing that dream, you have those voices in the back of your head saying, go to school, get a good education, get a real job. Enough already. You are a wolf. And believe it or not, there's people out there just like you. And it's time for you to meet them. This is your year. It's your time. This is your moment. Come to this up and coming Wolves Masterminds live event in no place other than Miami, Florida. Meet the sickest millennial business influencers in the game. Network with other hungry wolves. Take your business and your lifestyle to the next level. This is exactly what you've been praying for. After 2019, your life will never be the same. Opportunity is calling. Time for you to open the door.